The DataMan 470 series fixed-mount barcode reader sets a new standard for challenging manufacturing and logistics applications, delivering unprecedented speed, coverage, and ease of use. Advanced decoding algorithms and a multi-core processor decipher codes at an astonishing speed, 7.5 times faster than other readers. Its high-resolution sensor enables greater depth of field and field of view coverage. Multi-reader sync technology synchronizes several readers for increased field of view and multi-side scanning. It allows readers to share a light for unified illumination across the field. HDR Plus technology allows DataMan 470 to adjust contrast ranges to read difficult 1D and 2D codes with variant backgrounds, codes that can't be read with conventional technology. A modular design ensures flexible configuration options and connectivity, and the DataMan Setup tool simplifies setup and operation with smart assistance, intelligent auto-tuning, and performance feedback. Speed, coverage, ease of use. The DataMan 470 series fixed-mount barcode reader is ready to help optimize your facility. To learn more, contact your local Cognex representative or visit cognex.com/DataMan470.